I'm going to give you an idea that can make you at least 50,000 naira every Saturday if you implement it. Guys, make a wedding dress. It doesn't have to be anything too stressful. It doesn't even have to be a luxury dress. With a beautiful lace like this, which I bought for 2,000 naira, I'm going to make a wedding dress. That dress might be a mermaid silhouette dress, so it doesn't take me so much time to produce. And then I would list it or rent it out to brides every Saturday. Look at this dress. Imagine if this dress were a white dress or a silver dress and I threw on a little applique and beading on it. A dress like this can pass for a wedding reception dress. The back of the dress is lace. It's a bit bigger than the mannequin, so we haven't laced the back. To make life easy for you, go for laces that have shine. Go for laces that already look exotic, already look beautiful, such that you don't have to do so much work on them. 50,000 naira every Saturday is a lot of money. And guess what? A dress like this, one dress can keep fetching you 50 until the dress is too old and maybe out of style. My name is Penzrah. I'm a self-taught fashion designer based in Calabar, Nigeria. I'm also a fashion business mentor, and I currently have a mentoring group which is about to kick off. I would like you to sign up for that group. In that group, I will teach you everything about fashion business secrets, how to make a lot of money in your fashion business, how to find customers, how to scale your business, how to move from a struggling small local brand to a big international fashion brand. Don't you like that? Come and make 10 times what you're currently making in your fashion business. Look in the description box. You'll see a link that will take you right to my WhatsApp chat where you can talk to me about joining the group, and I will send you a link to join.